it's a breakout, buy call, green color candle open. Like this daily automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video. Like this daily you need to watch this chart. This chart will give you the calls like a signal. It's a buy call buy signal. So green color candle. Like this daily this chart will give you the signal. Through this signal you can do the trading like manual trade as well as auto trading also possible. By connecting your broker account to this chart you can do auto trading also. It's a Monday market, October 28th market we are watching. At 11:45 a upper side breakout happened, so a buy call came. We are watching this buy call. So the buy call came at buy at 51,445. Can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry line. Above line our target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. So the first target is 573. It's more than a 120 point first target range. Like this daily basis in live market for intraday traders, this chart will analyze the candle movement according to our strategy, according to our breakout. Whenever the breakout happen in live market itself, it will give the calls signal. Through this calls signal you can do your tradings. Within 30 minutes of buy call generated, it successfully break out the first target range. First few minutes market was traded in flat momentum, but it break out the target. 51,500 call option. This week is only a monthly expiry is having. So the buy call came at 253 and market move all the way to 320. Like this you can change script in the money, at the money, even out of the money option chart also you can view. Through the direct option chart also you can get the calls and do the tradings. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.